Welcome to the Marketplace console. This is your one-stop shop to upgrade your agency's capabilities. Here, you will find sections for plans, ad number quotas, add-on property quotas, and custom billing. Let's look at plans first. All users with a paid plan gain a massive advantage: the ability to serve our data to a website. Whether you use a website provided by us or redirect our website to your existing domain name, a paid plan is the engine that powers your online presence. Next, let's talk about add-ons. All users, including those on the free plan, can purchase add-ons here to increase their property or member limits. Most plans and add-ons purchased here follow a standard validity of 1 year. However, there is an important distinction for free plan users. While you can buy add-ons to list more properties, purchasing a quota add-on does not upgrade your plan's features. This means your listings will still be restricted to the free plan limits, maximum 5 gallery images and no video uploads. To unlock rich media and video, you must purchase a full plan upgrade. We also offer a section for labor cost additional services. If you require a specialized solution, such as a custom multi-page website or unique design work, contact us directly for a quotation. Once we calculate the labor cost required, we will generate a custom billing item which you can pay for securely right here. Finally, let me demonstrate the purchasing process. Simply browse the item you need, let's say a property quota ad, and click Add to Cart. You can continue shopping or proceed to the cart. Click the cart icon to review your items. When you are ready, click Proceed to Checkout to finalize your payment. The system will instantly update your account quotas upon successful transaction. Thank you for watching.